Friends, the government of Meghalaya has, with a lot of pride, extended financial support to all the table tennis associations here in Meghalaya to hold the prestigious 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship 2022 here at Sai Sports Complex, Jymmang. My dear participants, I wish to extend the warmest welcome to this beautiful state of Meghalaya. I hope that you are comfortable and are enjoying not only the hospitality but also the scenic beauty of Meghalaya. Sport must be played with smile and defeat accepted. Sportingly, wishing you the very best as you compete in this championship. And also to the organizer who have worked very hard to make this championship success. And also, I would like to inform all of us we are here. The government of Meghalaya, for the last 3.5 years, 4 years, we are very much, we want to promote sports in our state. That's why this championship was held here. Actually, this championship was supposed to happen before last 3-4 months back. But because all we know that the pandemic has disturbed us, affected us, that's why we are conducting today. Friends, I would like to inform you also, the Meghalaya government will be organizing from the sports department for the Meghalaya game, which we had a Meghalaya game in 2018-19. But again, we'll be having a Meghalaya game by the end of this month, on the month of May. At the same time also, we are going to organize the NorthEast Olympics before the end of this year, October and November of this year. So that we can see the promoting and motivate, encourage our youth to excel in sports fraternity. So I don't have to lend my speech. Once again I would like to thank you all. Happy stay safe and enjoy your stay.